Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're pitting two of the hottest laptops of 2025 against each other, the M4 MacBook Pro 14 and the Asus Zenbook S14. Which one is the ultimate choice for you? Watch till the end before you buy and you'll know exactly which laptop is the winner. I've included links in the description for the latest prices and deals, and please like the video. It helps me a lot. The Apple MacBook Pro 14-inch with the M4 chip maintains Apple's established design, featuring a robust unibody aluminum build that feels exceptionally premium and solid. It measures 0.61 inches thick and weighs 3.4 pounds, presenting a refined and professional aesthetic, especially in the fingerprint-resistant space black finish. In contrast, the Asus Zenbook S14 leans into extreme portability, coming in at a mere 0.47 inches thick and weighing just 2.65 pounds. Its chassis is crafted from ceraluminum, a ceramic and aluminum blend, which gives it a solid yet slightly plasticky feel. The Zenbook's Zumaya Gray variant includes distinctive etched silver streaks on the lid, a design choice that might elicit mixed reactions. But its 90% screen-to-body ratio contributes to a very compact footprint. When it comes to ports, the MacBook Pro 14-inch offers a versatile selection designed for power users, including 3 Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports with 40 gigabits per second data transfer, charging, and DisplayPort support, alongside a dedicated HDMI port that handles up to 8K at 60 Hz or 4K at 240 Hz, an SDXC card reader, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and a MagSafe 3 charging port. Wireless connectivity is handled by Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3. The Zenbook S14, despite its thin profile, also provides a well-balanced array of ports, including 2 Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports, 1 HDMI 2.1, 1 USB-A, 10 gigabits per second, and a 3.5mm combo audio jack. For wireless connections, it steps up with Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4, offering a slightly more future-proof standard for wireless networking. The displays on both laptops offer premium viewing experiences, though with distinct characteristics. The MacBook Pro 14-inch features a 14.2-inch Liquid Retina XDR mini LED panel with a sharp 3024 by 1964 resolution and ProMotion technology for adaptive refresh rates up to 120 Hz. It truly shines in brightness, reaching up to 1000 nits sustained and an impressive 1600 nits peak for HDR content, making it exceptional for HDR consumption and outdoor visibility. Additionally, it offers a nano-texture glass option to reduce glare. In contrast, the Asus Zenbook S14 sports a 14-inch OLED touchscreen with a 2880 by 1800 resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate. This OLED panel delivers stunning color accuracy and deep blacks thanks to per-pixel lighting, but its brightness is more modest, measuring around 358 nits in real-world usage with a peak HDR brightness of 500 nits. While the Zenbook's screen supports pen input, its limited recline angle of about 40 degrees isn't ideal for extensive sketching. For cameras, the MacBook Pro 14 is equipped with an upgraded 12-megapixel FaceTime HD camera that provides enhanced sharpness and color. It also incorporates Apple's center stage and desk view features, though video recording remains capped at 1080p. The Zenbook S14 features a 1080p webcam with an IR depth sensor for Windows Hello facial recognition, delivering reasonably sharp visuals. Neither laptop includes a physical privacy shutter for the camera, relying on software or function key toggles. In terms of keyboard and trackpad, Apple's Magic Keyboard on the MacBook Pro maintains its familiar typing experience with 1mm of key travel and tactile feedback, integrated Touch ID, and full-height function keys. The Force Touch trackpad is industry-leading, providing haptic feedback and pressure-sensitive gestures across a large, accurate surface. The Zenbook S14's keyboard, while backlit and well-spaced, has a shallower 1.1mm of key travel, which some users might find less comfortable for prolonged typing sessions, and its layout can feel a bit cramped. Its extra-large touchpad is responsive and includes custom gestures for volume and brightness, with reliable clicking across most of its surface. Regarding battery life, both laptops excel, but the MacBook Pro 14 demonstrates truly exceptional endurance. While Apple claims 24 hours, real-world continuous video playback tests showed it lasting an astounding 28 hours and 33 minutes. Even in mixed-use scenarios, it consistently surpassed the 20-hour mark. The Asus Zenbook S14 also delivers outstanding battery life with its 72 watt-hour battery. It achieved 21 hours in 4K video loop tests and 17 hours and 7 minutes in office productivity benchmarks, demonstrating nearly 2 full workdays of usage on a single charge. The M4 MacBook Pro 14 is powered by Apple's M4 chip, featuring a 10-core CPU and a 10-core GPU, along with a 16-core neural engine that significantly boosts AI features in macOS Sequoia. This configuration provides blazing fast performance, with CPU benchmarks like Cinebench and Geekbench showing it considerably outperforming Intel Core Ultra 7 machines. For content creation, such as video encoding in Handbrake and photo editing in Puget Bench for Photoshop, the M4 chip exceeds the capabilities of many M3 Pro chips, and tests indicate faster rendering in DaVinci Resolve and Blender compared to the base M3 MacBook Pro. It maintains smooth performance with 4K video playback and heavy Photoshop files, making it a strong contender for creative professionals, though the M4 Pro or M4 Max would be better suited for exceptionally demanding 3D modeling or massive workloads. In contrast, the Asus Zenbook S14 utilizes Intel's Core Ultra 7 258V Lunar Lake, which includes Intel Arc integrated graphics and a 47 TOPS NPU, certifying it as a Copilot Plus PC. While it delivers solid performance for daily tasks, web browse, light media editing, and multitasking, there's a notable performance drop of 30 to 50% when running on battery, as Lunar Lake chips prioritize power efficiency. For editing and creative workflows, the Zenbook S14 can handle photo editing and light 1080p video editing without throttling, but it's not designed for intensive tasks like 4K video rendering or heavy creative workloads. When it comes to gaming, the MacBook Pro 14 with its M4 GPU handles light and mid-tier games competently. However, it does not match the gaming prowess of high-end Windows laptops equipped with discrete GPUs or even Apple's own M3 Macs. While Apple is making strides in developer support for macOS titles, AAA gaming is not a core strength of this machine. Similarly, the Asus Zenbook S14 is not positioned as a gaming laptop. Despite improvements in Intel Arc graphics, AAA titles are generally not playable at high settings, and thermal limitations impact sustained performance. It is better suited for light indie games, older titles, or cloud gaming services. So, which should you buy in 2025? If you want unmatched performance, industry-leading battery life, and a flawless display for creative work, the M4 MacBook Pro 14 is the clear winner. The Zenbook S14 is excellent for ultra portability and solid battery life, but the MacBook simply outclasses it in power and polish.